is about two things mainly. Avoiding junk words. What are our junk words? Like, you know, so, right, okay, actually, literally. Yes, we all have them. We all have them. I do them. You've probably noticed some today. I do them much worse when I'm fatigued. So that's something to think about and be mindful of. It's about figuring out what is my preferred little connector word that I use and just working on pausing silently instead and knowing that it's okay to pause. I think culturally we feel like the void must be filled with sound all the time, but it's okay to pause and have silence. In fact, adding some pauses to your speech can add some dramatic impact, actually. Now, how do we do this? One method to work on with the junk words and adding pauses is to practice putting your two lips together. Right? I am a big Nats fan, and you wouldn't say, let's go Nats, let's go Nats, let's go Nats. You say, let's go Nats. Let's go Nats, right? That much pause gives power to your words. And it can do that no matter what it is that you're saying. You guys didn't join me in chanting for the Nats. Aren't you Nats fans? Aren't you excited? All right, so try this one. Hello, lips together. My name is Jean Miller. I'm happy to meet you. Try it with your name.
Hello, my name is Lisa Schwartz. Nice to meet you.
This is an extreme practice in some ways, but it's something that you can practice when you're on the phone. Practice, once you say something and you've gotten the thought out and there's a period, put your lips together, because it tends to be during those transitions that we fill in those other words. It just takes awareness and practice.